Hello, importer. A very beautiful day to you out there. If this is your first time of seeing my content, if this is your first time of coming across a YouTube channel like this, my name is Samuel Joshua and this is Zion Up Logistics. Here we're like family. Here we discuss everything that have to do with mini importation business, arbitrage, and how you can also promote your item online. Of course, tell me how you have been coping with this RMB of a thing. Honestly, it has been crazy from my own end here. Imagine as at for when releasing this video, RMB, one RMB in my country here is being sold for the rate of 144. This is crazy. So let me know at the comment section there how much you are buying RMA from your exchanger in your country presently. So I've made a whole lot of research. I told you Zion Hub Logistics is not all about teaching you guys. We are bringing importation business to your doorstep. So we want to make sure that you are doing this practically the same way we have been doing it and making money. But this RMB of 18 has been making us it's making importation very difficult for us. So I now make a research on different platform on how we can also use our card. Before now, we understand the fact that Nigerian policies does not allow us to make an international transaction, but I think recently some bank cards have been working. So this really prompts me to this video you're about to watch now. So I tested my Zenith card on a Chinese platform, which is a Pindodo, and also on Taobao, which work perfectly. So the video you're about to watch now talks much better on how you can use your ATM card, I mean your local ATM card, to make a purchase. This has saved us from the hassle of buying RMB to Alipay. So this method I'm about to show you in this tutorial does not have anything to do with you having RMB or using Alipay at all. So if you don't have a verified Alipay account, you can also make use of this method. Trust me guys when I said you can make use of this method. So make sure you don't want to skip any part of this video at all, because I'm going to be showing you the exact same method that I used and what to avoid in this video. Okay, so before we go into the video, if this is your first time of seeing my content, I'm a mini importation coach. I train people on how to start mini importation business, or maybe you've taken the course in the past, you're not having issues. Okay, maybe you're having issues in you're having difficulties. Maybe your 1688 has been frozen, you don't know how to go about it, or maybe you are running a advert on Facebook and you are using your virtual card. You can as well use your local ATM card. Okay, so please, if you're having any issues regarding this, you can do what to reach out to me on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook at Zion Hub Logistics. Okay, so I'm going to be dropping my number as well at the comment section, so you'll be able to reach me out wherever you're having issues. I'm available for mentorship, I'm available for procurement, I'm available for trainings, and I'm available for consultation. All right, so without further more ado, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is very, very important as well. So without further more ado, let's dive into the tutorial properly. Guys, now this is my PDD account right here. So for those of you that missed my last video on how I've been able to use my Taobao account to make a purchase with my ATM, I mean I use my ATM card to make a purchase on Taobao. I'm going to be leaving it under the description button of this video to go and watch it there. I'm going to pin it down under the comment section too, so you can also watch the video there on how to use your ATM card and virtual card to make a purchase. Of course, you must have been tired also, like I've said in the intro of this video, that you must have been tired of this RMB price. Recently, we don't know what is going on. We buy RMB here on the higher side, so this might have caused you a whole lot of havoc that leads to you maybe panicking. Please just watch this video. Don't panic on importation business, please. All right, just watch this video to the very end. I'm going to be proving you wrong that you can still make a something out of this economy. Okay, so now RMB as at when recording this video is 144. Who does that? Really? I don't know how much you are buying RMB on your own side. Let's know in the comment section. Just drop your RMB rate at the comment section. Without further more ado, let's dive into this tutorial. Okay, so this is my PDD account. So this is the product I want to go for now. Let me click on it here. It is just a USB sound card, this thing that I want to be using personally, right? So I'm going to click on this guy here to proceed in making this payment with my card. Select, and I'm going to make sure I select the right shipping company. Okay, so once this is the checkout page now, it will takes me to this next page here. The next thing I want to make sure that I'm with the right set with I want to make sure that the shipping company I'm using is okay. So because I have different shipping company I use, so I've selected the right one. The next thing is to proceed here. So we have different items here. We have the one for type C. You can see that this is the videos, this is the picture, this is for type C, this is for iPhone. So I'm going to select the one that I want to go for here, which is the Apple compatible one here. So once I'm okay, I'm going to select the, let me click on this card here. So I'm going to be making use of my ATM card, which has already been selected. You can see here we have different options that you can use to make a payment. When it comes to payment option, that is why I preferred shopping on PDD. Okay, so I'm going to be selecting my Visa. I'm going to be selecting the one that has Visa and MasterCard option. Remember, we are making a payment with our ATM card. All right, that haven't been set, I'm going to click on this red guy here to take me to the next page where I'm going to be inputting my card for the payment details. So here is telling me to confirm and choose the payment method I wanted to use. So I'm going to click on this red guy here to still proceed in making this payment. All right, so that haven't been said, these are the supported banks in China that works with this website here. But guys, we are a foreigner and this is also applicable for us. So you want to scroll down to the last option here where you have Visa and MasterCard and pay union. So this is also selecting, if you want to go for all these options, you want to go to this last option here. So I'm going to be clicking on this camera icon here to scan my ATM card. Okay, so here it will take me to the next page. Remember, we are using our MasterCard to make a purchase. So the same thing applicable to us with the foreigner too. We can also make use of our ATM card. So I'm going to click on this camera icon here to scan my ATM card. Okay, it has already scanned my ATM card right here. You can see that we have a MasterCard and it has already scanned it. So I'm going to click on this red guy here. Proceed will takes me to the next page here where I want to input the name of my ATM card, the CVV and the expiring date. So I've already input my name, the CVV and the expiring date of my card. So I'm going to click on this red guy here to proceed. So here is telling me to input my payment password right here, which I'm going to be doing again. So I've already input my payment password now. So it's going to load this page and check out, and so it can proceed to the next gateway. So this is where I'm going to be doing the last process, which is the payment gateway, like we all do in our normal distance. So this is my Zenith bank card right now. An OTP will be generated, so I will click on that generate token. So an OTP has been sent to my number now, and I'm going to make sure that I input the right OTP so this payment can be done successfully without no hassle at all. So let me just wait for this OTP to come in. So I think it takes some times, so let me just wait till I'm going to receive this code, because I don't want this video to be a very long one. So I'm going to wait. Okay, I think I got the code now. So let me just quickly input it, then click on verify and proceed so I can proceed to the last step. So let me just input it. I'm trying to input the right one there. So let me just get it right. Okay, I think we have the code here. So let me input, then bams, I click on verify and proceed. So this is the final step, guys, and before we know it, our payment is successful. So let me just wait. Let me wait to what we have here. So I think this payment has already went through. To be factual and to be honest with you, I think it has went through now. So let's wait for the next payment gateway because I've been debited. I'll try as much as possible to show you. So this is what I have here. All right, let me go back to see. You can see it has marked now. This simply means this is a congratulation message that I've made the payments with my card, right? So guys, this is a very simple, straightforward process you want to make use of. So let me just go back to my profile to show you guys that I've made this payment successful. You can see that we have pending under that place. So that means that payment has went successfully. So let me click on it so we can see the details of the transaction, and I'm going to be using my Google Translator as well to translate this page so you'll be able to know. So I will screenshot it now and I will head over to my Google Translator. This is my Google Translator now, so let me wait for this guy to translate this page. All right, you can see that this payment went successfully. Let me zoom in. You can see that it was made successfully, payment successful. And what I love about this thing is they actually give you a free shipping, unlike Taobao, unlike 168 that they will collect local shipping fee. So this payment actually went through. You can see that we have free shipping there. They are not charging me for any local shipping fee at all. Okay, I have to pause that video and come back so to assure you guys that this thing actually works. So I want to show you now. The last video, I mean, when I paused that video, remember that it was under pending. Now this payment has been approved. You can see that is on transit now. So let me click on it for you to see that I actually make this payment with my card. You can see that this is the details of this transaction here, and is presently on transit. All right, now to buttress more points about this actual payment, let me screenshot now and go to my Google Translator here. Okay, it's my Google Translator now. I will picture search now, then show you what this actually means. I wanted to confirm something there for you so you can see that this goods actually went through. Now let's start from here. You can see that it has moved from to be delivered to awaiting receipt. Now this is 29 RMB is what I bought, and you can see that it is package shipping guarantee. So one thing I love about this PDD is the fact that they don't charge for local shipping fee. So if you are interested in getting the course on how to go about this thing from A to Z, I can teach you. Now let's show you more details. So you can see that it is presently on transit here. Expected delivery within tomorrow. They are going to deliver this what's it called, this transaction here, and you can see right here that it is free shipping. Now let's head over to the PDD again. I want to show you something. Now let me click on view transaction. Now this is the breakdown on how this thing worked. Now you can see that it is presently on transit. What I just bought today, I was recording this video today, which is on Sunday. Now let me click on this drop down arrow. You can see that this is the details of this transaction. You can see that today's date is 15, right, 15/10/2023, and you can see right. All right guys, thank you guys for watching that video to the very end. I will definitely see you in my next tutorial.